Welcome! If you're looking to make real money online, you're in the right place. Today, we'll cover some legitimate sites and apps that can help you earn extra income. Whether you're looking to make money on the side or start something new, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for the right sites. First, let's get started by signing up for a few reputable platforms. We'll focus on three main options. 1. Survey and task websites. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie let you earn money by completing surveys and small tasks. To get started, visit the site's homepage, click Sign Up, and enter your details. Confirm your email if required. 2. Freelancing platforms. Websites such as Upwork and Fiverr are great for freelancers. Here's how to begin. Go to the website, click Join or Sign Up, fill in your details, and create a profile showcasing your skills. 3. Cashback and reward apps. Apps like Rakuten or Ibotta offer cashback for shopping. To start, download the app from your app store, create an account, link your email or shopping accounts if necessary. Step 2. Explore and set up. Now that you're signed up, it's time to explore and set up. 1. On survey sites. Complete your profile to receive relevant surveys. Check for available surveys and start earning. 2. On freelancing platforms. Create a detailed profile and portfolio. Browse job listings and submit proposals. 3. On cashback apps. Browse available offers and deals. Link your accounts or upload receipts as instructed. Step 3. Start earning. With everything set up, here's how to maximize your earnings. 1. Surveys and tasks. Regularly check for new surveys or tasks. Complete them to earn points or cash. 2. Freelancing. Apply for projects or gigs that match your skills. Deliver quality work to build a good reputation. 3. Cashback and rewards. Use the app or site for your online shopping. Take advantage of cashback offers and rewards. Step 4. Manage your earnings. To make the most of your efforts, 1. Track your earnings. Check your earnings or rewards dashboard regularly. Make sure you're on track to meet your financial goals. 2. Withdraw funds. Follow the site's or app's process to withdraw or redeem your earnings. Choose the payment method that works best for you. That's it. By following these steps, you can start making real money online with minimal effort. Remember to stay consistent and explore different opportunities to maximize your income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy earning.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.